why ocean matters. Do you know 80% or 70% of our carbon dioxide actually absorbed by our ocean? I mean, I'm talking about ocean. I'm not talking about our as usual trees in the dry land. You know, oceans consumes lots of carbon dioxide but produce huge oxygen. But we very few people know about it because we are just highly well aware of trees and which is situated in dry land. I mean in the continent. But ocean has plethora trees. Since ocean is the vast area and compare majority of our earth is actually shared by or composed of ocean rather than just dry its water, but in ocean you will find lots of trees and which is totally hidden to our vision, but those trees consumes or absorbs huge amounts of carbon dioxide and emits huge amounts and produce too much oxygen, and using those oxygen we are taking the breath every day. If we cut down every trees on dry land or continent areas, we still will get the oxygen. But it is not a good news that if we cut down every trees and we'll get the oxygen. We are polluting the environment, and since we are polluting the environment, producing lots of chemicals and throwing lots of chemicals into our environment and rain and lots of the various ways, those waters being polluted, river being polluted, those polluted water with toxic chemicals just going to ocean, and ocean water is becoming very polluted, and those polluted water is harmful for those trees which is actually beneath the ocean. So if we continue keeping polluted our environment and our water, those polluted water will polluted the ocean, and those polluted environment is not sustainable for trees. So trees will be gradually or increasingly reduced by those polluted environment. So we need to think about our pollution. We need to think about our environment. Since ocean is the main hub, ocean is the main source of our oxygen, we need to save our ocean. If we cannot save our ocean will kill us. But if we can save our ocean will save us. So we hope our generation, the upcoming generation, is not going to blame us because we are already hampered our ocean. So it is our time, it is our duty to make our ocean neat and clean, to make our ocean safe. Thank you.